to import employee information in batches. First, log into our HFIMS software system. Click on Smart Pass. Click Employee Management. Here you can batch import employee information and employee photos. Click on Employee Information to import in batches. Download the template. Then fill in the required employee information. Pay attention to file format. Click to import your employee information table. Upload successful. Finally, click Import. Successfully imported employee information in batches. Now, let's demonstrate how to batch import employee photos. Click Photo here. Photo import rules description. Create the file as required. Upload prepared files. Finally, click Import to upload successfully.